In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I would like to show you how you can sort apps in main app menu in custom or alphabetical order. Begin by opening app menu. When you're ready, tap on those three dots at the bottom right corner and select Sort at the top. Then you can either click on Custom Order or Alphabetical Order. I will go with Alphabetical, so when I click, as you can see, all of my apps were successfully sorted. If you want to select Custom, click on it and then hold any app to drag it to the proper place. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!